following a little bit of a trail here. There's a lot of rocks. It's kind of like a rock bank up here. I want to sit up on top of it. I think I'm going to move to these trees right in front of me here. I need to think about where I sit though, because there's a good chance a lot of the people up above me can push some deer down towards me. Thinking right in this bank here. This will be good. This almost looks like it used to be a road. And I'll just sit on the edge of it here. Right on these rocks. Not seeing any snakes under the rock. Whoa. Okay, this might not be stable enough for my seat. I wonder if I push a little further down, I can see over this hump and look into the clearing down below. Yeah, let's try that. I'm just trying to get set up in a good spot. Daddy would be ashamed of me if he heard me stomping around right now. I'm so loud. Alright, this is it. Checked for snakes, no snakes underneath. Alright guys, I had a doe pass by me at about 30 yards, probably about 30 minutes ago. It's been really quiet since. I texted Logan, and he hasn't seen anything. He's not hearing anything up on top of the mountain. No shots, no movement, nothing. So, it's starting to get a little darker now. I guess we're just gonna keep playing the waiting game. I'm hunkered down in a stand of down trees. I can't remember if I recorded getting down into this or not. I was up on top of like that rocky bank, looking down over everything. And I kind of realized that I would basically be out in the open. So I walked down into the stand of trees here. So my back's covered. I'm kind of enclosed in from the front. As you can see, I got my feet kicked up on this log in front of me. But I can see everything to my left and down. And if I turn a little bit, I can see my whole right side. So I have a really good point of view here. If I had doe tags, I could have blasted that doe. She was about 3 yards. She came in from that way, walked down the hill in front of me down there. Then she crossed over, went down under, and now she's heading down into like the valley. So I guess there's a stream down there and stuff. She headed that way. So we'll see if anything else comes through.